Well, new at 5, you've heard that crime doesn't pay, but that might depend on how you look at it. It turns out Western New York collected a record amount in fines and penalties this year. News 4's George Rickard is live in the newsroom with details. George?
Well, from drug dealers to scam artists, the U.S. Attorney's Office locally was able to collect $94 million in criminal, civil, and forfeiture cases. U.S. Attorney for New York's Western District, Bill Hochul, says when violent gang members, child predators, or white-collar criminals are caught, his staff of federal attorneys can often seize the cash or property that they may have been using in those crimes. And of the $94 million that was seized and collected this year, $20 million of it went back to repay the victims directly. Just over $3 million went to state and local police agencies who assisted, and the rest, the bulk of it, went right back into the U.S. Treasury.
Since our budget is about $10 million a year, we bring in and brought in over this last year more than $84 million than it cost the office to run.
What we've learned over the years is that if you're going to collect against a defendant, your greatest chance and your greatest opportunity to collect assets would be prior to judgment. That is when the defendant is most likely and most eager to work with us.
Next year, even more money could be brought in because of the case against Tonawanda Coke. It's still up to a judge to decide just how much that company will have to pay for its pollution conviction. George Rickard, News 4 at 5.